All right, guys, here are the three best things about this side panel electric bidet toilet seat. Okay, first, it delivers a steady, on-demand warm water wash with fully customizable settings. All right, the system supplies continuous warm water without running cold mid-cycle, while allowing you to tailor the water temperature, the spray pressure, and nozzle position across multiple wash modes for a gentle, more personalized clean. See what I'm saying? Second, it features an intuitive attached side control panel for quick and reliable operation. It's built directly into the arm of the seat. The tactile buttons put seat heating, water temperature, spray adjustments, and the warm air dryer within effortless reach. So that eliminates the hassle of hunting for or replacing batteries, in a separate wireless remote, okay? And finally, this is perfect for homeowners looking for a low maintenance, comfortable bathroom upgrade, okay? It features a heated seat for cold mornings and automatic self-cleaning nozzle that rinses before and after every use, a quiet soft close lid, and a soft LED nightlight to guide you to where you need to be. So guys, if you are looking for a new Bidet toilet seat for your home that's comfortable and effective and convenient, then I would definitely recommend this on Amazon. Peace, y'all.